Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Behance. In today's video, I am going to share a very quick tip with you about UV unwrapping. In today's video, I am going to show you how we can convert a curvy UVs into a straight UVs with having no stretching in the texturing. Whenever we try to unwrap an object or packaging box or a bag or something like this, and when we try to unwrap and the UVs are curved, not straighten, and when we try to straighten those curves, then the result are not exactly what we want. For this, there are many reasons. Maybe there are some holes in your UVs, maybe there are triangles in your object, or the mesh is not in chords. So this is why we fail to make the curve UVs into straight. So for this, I will show you a quick method how you can fix your UVs in a very simple way. So let's jump into Blender and let's see how we can fix them. So here we are inside Blender. You can see this is a shopping bag model I did inside Blender. For the modeling, if you want modeling tutorials, please follow me and subscribe the channel for more. Hey guys, so here we are inside Blender. This is the shopping bag I was talking about. If you can see the UVs in the edit menu, just by pressing the tab or go to the edit, you can see the UVs here. I am in the layout session. I just split the screen into half so we can see the UVs and the model at a time. You can of course go to the UV editing tab, and there you will see the same layout, but now we are going to use this. So in the edit mode, select all and select this part. So this is the front part. If you can see, there is a curve in our UVs, and we want to make them straight. There are many ways to fix this, but in today's video I am gonna show you how I do for most of my model. The first method is, if you can select one face and make this equal from all the sides, just by going to the edge selection mode, select the edge and make it scale in the x direction to 0. Make this the same 0, and in the y direction make this 0, and in the y again make it 0. Now you can see this face is equally like a rectangle or square. So if you can click on this and just click from the keyboard Ctrl L and right click to make it follow active chords. If you can see, this become straight, but if you can see the holes right here, these holes become destroyed. If you can see the holes right here, these holes are no more the same. If you can see it here, the data is destroyed, the mesh is destroyed overall. So what's the best method for doing this? Let me show you with an add-on as well. If you can select, go to the add-on. I am using this UV toolkit add-on. If we can click on the straighten, let me disable the UV sync. Now if we can click on this option, straighten UVs. Now you can see this become weird. This is all happening because of these holes. So the best method is I follow for most of my model is, first of all, you just need to unwrap again. Okay, move everything aside, just bring this face, just bring this face, oh my god, sorry, just bring this face down, rotate it, and now here what I do most of the time. So select this area and hide it, select this, hide this. We can just simply hide this by pressing H from the keyboard, hide this. You can hide this as well, and hide this hole as well here, and here you can do the same with all the holes. So after hiding all the holes, what we can do, select this area again, unwrap it just by clicking U from the keyboard and just hit unwrap. Now it's unwrap again, And now what you can do, here you can click on the straighten again right from the menu, or just simply follow the first method I did, but mostly I do with the UV toolkitting. Now straighten it. Now this become uh, straight, and it looks good to me at all. You can see all the edges are the same. So now what about the holes? For these, just select this area and pin it. If you can just press P from the keyboard, you can pin this. And now show the holes again by pressing Alt H from the keyboard. You can see these holes are here. And what we can do, just selecting all the UVs and press again U to unwrap it. Move everything to a side like we did before, and we can see our UVs are perfectly straightened. You can see this part is equally straightened. There is no issue with the holes. The holes are perfectly aligned, if you can see these and these. So this is the method. Of course you can just unpin this again if you want. Pinning means so this mesh won't affect when we do UV unwrapping again. So this is why I pinned this before. So now you can see our UVs is fixed, and this is how I do most of the time for my UVs. So guys, practice it and let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Thanks for watching the video.